Hey, what's up YouTube? I am here with a student. We're about to run through the driving test real quick at one of the South Florida location. We will be going through the driving test. The driving test is approximately 7 minutes, so you know it's a very short video. Alright, so I'm just gonna get right into the video because you know I know you guys are like slightly impatient. Alright, so they're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
Left, away from the curb.
What else?
Put the car in park, pull the handbrake, and turn off the ignition.
Okay, cool. Now they're gonna ask you to do the turn signal. Signal left, signal right, blow the horn, press and release the brake. So they're checking to make sure that the turn signal lights, the brake lights, and the horn is working. They will not take you out in a car that those things doesn't work. Alright, again, the examiners are not going to be in the car. They're calling you on the phone. Someone has to sit with you. I have to say that in every video because I get asked that in comments every single day. They're not coming in the car. Someone has to sit with you that's 21 or older. Alright, we're going to reverse from here and we're going to go to the left. So they're going to be standing over there. They're going to call you on the phone. They're going to say reverse and go to the left. So look behind you and reverse. When your mirror gets to the end of the line, you're going to turn because you're going to the left. So look behind, reverse. And then they're going to tell you to reverse and then pull straighten up right there and they'll tell you when to stop. So let's pull forward and I'll tell you when to stop. And then after that, the next maneuver is going to be reversing in a straight line. So you come here and you straighten up the wheel and you stop about here. Now they're going to ask you to reverse in a straight line. Look behind you and just let the car roll. No gas, no nothing. Just let it roll nice and easy. And then they'll tell you to stop about here. Stop. Next thing they're going to ask you to do is to speed up to about 15 or 20 miles per hour and do a sudden stop. So go ahead and do that for me. 15 and stop. Sudden stop. Perfect. Okay. Now we're going to go around the corner. So go down here and make a quick left turn. Signal left. So every time they tell you to turn, you make sure you signal. If you don't signal, you're going to lose 4 points. So we're going to make sure we signal every single time. Stay close to the right side. Closer is always better. Right side. And then we're going to park in between the cones here. So you come down and you line up. Go forward, you line up the mirror with the cone a little bit more. Right there. Turn all the way to the left. Signal left. Turn all the way left. And then we're going to roll into the parking space. Nice and easy. Alright, straighten the wheel as you get into the middle of it and pull straight in. And perfect. See that? That's good. Alright, now look behind you and reverse. We're going to go to the left again to do your 3-point turn. Alright, as soon as you pass that, you turn in because you're going to go left. So when your mirror is past the middle here, then that's a good place to stop. You see the mirror is past that, so you can stop there. You're going to pull forward, and we're going to pull next to the right side. We're going to do a 3-point turn. So the closer you are to the right, the better. Closer. And then they're going to tell you to stop about here and do the 3-point turn. So signal left. Turn all the way left until the wheel stops. And you're going to stop before you hit the curb. I put the car in reverse all the way to the right. All the way. And look behind you as you reverse. And when your mirror is past the middle, again, keep going. When your mirror is past the middle like that, you're going to stop there. Put the car back in drive. And we're going to signal left again. To go to the stop sign and come to a complete stop and then make a left turn. So when you get to the stop sign, a good rule of thumb is to count to 3. just so there's no confusion at all. So you stop here, 1, 2, 3, and then go ahead and make a left turn. Stay in your right lane, and then you're going to make a quick left turn again. Actually, go to the second left turn. Alright, signal left. And go ahead and make a left. And they'll tell you to stop about here. Stop, 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 stop. Alright, so put the car in park for a second. So they'll tell you to stop here. What do you think? How do you think you did?
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. Yeah, I would agree. And there's my other car.
I was wondering.
ACC driving school. That's the other car. So that's Sean practicing. Yeah, so she did great. Pull up in the parking space right there. Put in drive. Yeah, she did excellent on that first run through. This is her first run through at this location. So we will run through it several more times before the actual test. Put straight in here. And let me just hail up Sean and his student. Come to a complete stop. Alright, hold on. Put the car in park. Alright, so here's my other car. So my son is with his student.
What's up, Dad?
What's up? Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
You got a little cutie in the back. Say hi, cutie. What's up, sir?
Now you doing everything good?
Yeah, I'm just finishing a video. Here, man. Can't stop.
God, everything good?
Yeah, man, everything good. I'm making a video. I'm finishing up a video right now. Alright. Alright, buddy. Alright, so that's it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video.